Boom shakalaka, huge Bitcoin move after the CPI numbers. Why this chart right here is the most important Bitcoin chart that nobody is talking about. And I'm not just talking about the triple inception double bottom. You'll definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at this chart right here, why this is the most important Bitcoin move that nobody is talking about yet, plus a lot of other very interesting charts to help determine exactly what's going to happen to Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and the overall markets in the near and far term. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at @CryptoLove, where we share some of the best charts in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Push the like button and let's get started. Today, Extreme Fear 24, almost out of Extreme Fear to just regular fear. But we are up from yesterday as the entire market is up 3% after the CPI numbers, a little dump, and then a massive pump after that. Bitcoin right now at 19,785, Ethereum at 1323, BNB at 274, XRP 49 cents, Cardano 38 cents, Solana $31, and Dogecoin 6 cents. And before we get into this chart right here and talking about why this is so insanely important, let's take a look at some of the most important charts. Right now, markets have been completely destroyed. Risk-seeking behavior. This is the lowest risk taking since 2004. This is lower than the COVID pandemic. This is lower than the sovereign debt crisis. This is lower than the housing collapse. People are very, very risk averse right now. And hey, if you've lost money over the past year, well, join the group because we're sailing through rough waters. 2022 has been one of the toughest market environments for all assets. Stocks, bonds, gold, emerging markets, all down. Even consumer staples that's known to have been a defensive sector has taken a hit. No place for poor risk management. No place for money, period. But things are about to turn around. You see, NASDAQ has been an absolute wealth destroyer this year, but seasonality is soon turning around. Will stocks follow? As we can see, this is a seasonality for the NASDAQ. Historically goes up most of the year and then towards around September starts to tank until around October 13th. We are right here, very, very close to October 13th happening before things really start taking off mid-October towards the end of the year. This little blip that we are seeing could be the beginning of a massive rally towards the end of the year. It's not only NASDAQ, but also Bitcoin. We're close to a volatility that generally triggers large directional movements. In bear markets, low volatility triggers big downward moves. Bull markets, low volatility triggers big upward moves. Question, are we in a transition from one to another? And this is a great question. We're going to be answering that at the end of this video if you stay tuned to it. But you can see whenever we have low volatility, big moves tend to happen afterwards. Right now, Bitcoin has left the Puell multiple green zone. If we take a look, the last time that this happened, look at the rally that Bitcoin went on. It went from $3,000 to $70,000 the last time it left this green zone. So definitely something worth keeping an eye on. Right now, Bitcoin is looking very, very much like 2019. At the end of that bear market, we had a downtrend that broke through and another downtrend within a downtrend that we broke through. Well, same thing happening right now. Bitcoin, the flag over flag confirmation, the yellow zone forms stochastic indicator, shows at least the second half of the flag where we're right now. So if we take a look, basically the same thing happens. We have a downtrend, and if we see down here, we have a reversal that's happening, and basically that signals the bottom. Time and time again, we're having that happening right now. If we take a quick rebound, always follows the dip. If we take a look, we have a falling wedge onto support. This previously happened, falling wedge onto support, which launched the price. We have falling wedge onto support, which just happened, could potentially launch price. Bringing us to this, not only Bitcoin, but also the total market cap. If you're unsure about Bitcoin price, also helps to take a look at the total market cap chart of all cryptos. PA holds the yellow line in MMBs like a boss. Is it just time to retest all-time highs from 2018? We are right back at those levels. We bounced once. Looks like we're bouncing again, which brings us to this very, very important chart that I don't think enough people are paying attention to and really taking a look at. Because if you see here, we have 1, 2, 3 pink lines. These are very important price levels to keep an eye on for, and I'll tell you exactly why in a minute. But if we zoom out a bit, and you need to zoom out for me for about a year, we can see from the top back in March of 2022, not only that, but from the top here in November of 2021, we have a year-long downtrend. And look at what Bitcoin just did. It broke out of it last week, beginning of October, broke above it, and at the exact levels that we were talking about, this support band right here, look at that. Bitcoin bounced right there to previous all-time high, $20,000. But that is a very, very significant bounce, because what we have done is we have broken out of a year-long downtrend and found support above it. The trend is your friend, my friends, and it appears like we have a trend reversal occurring between our eyes. So there's three very, very key levels to keep an eye on, because we have an inception like double bottom inside of a double bottom inside of a double bottom. That's right, a triple inception double bottom going on right now. If you take a look at me, with me, you can take a look at me too, but take a look with me. We have double bottom number one right here. Bottom one, bottom two. Confirmation point right here, around $20,500. Well, with double bottoms, if it can break above that confirmation point, there's a 97% chance we're in for 40% gains. So that first one, $20,500. If we can break above there, well, the price is likely going up. Where to? Well, how about the next double bottom? We have bottom one and we have bottom two right here. Well, this confirmation point is right here at roughly $22,800. If we can break above this first one, it'll likely take us to the second one, which could propel us further to this next one. And not only that, we will be breaking this 200 weekly moving average, which historically has been very good support for Bitcoin. Could turn into resistance here, but if we can break above there, it could be very, very good support again, which would bring us to this third double bottom, this triple inception double bottom that we have going on with the confirmation point right here at $25,182. If we can break out of these first two, this one will likely get us back into bull territory once again. So we have some very interesting things coming up for Bitcoin. Will this all happen? I don't know, but potentially we could have a very, very good end of year rally for all of these markets that have been artificially suppressed by the Fed, and it could send things, especially as everybody's betting on the market going down, man, they could all get liquidated and send the market a lot higher. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.